In this video, I will cover the third type of regression, quadratic regression, which is of degree 2. And for quadratic regression, it just means that we'll get a constant on the second layer, which means I'll get a constant on the second layer of difference. So let's take a look at one example. If my term 1 to term 4 are the numbers 1, 3, 6, and 10, what will be the pattern in this number sequence? The hint is to calculate what's the difference between the first term and the second term, and so forth. If I calculate the first layer of difference, it will be plus 2, plus 3, and plus 4. But it will not be a constant yet. Let's calculate the difference between the numbers in the first layer. If we calculate the difference in the first layer, the difference would be a plus 1. So I got a constant in my second layer of difference. This tells me that it will be a quadratic regression. So if I ask you what is the general term of this quadratic regression, what would it be? Now I'll be showing you how to use our calculators to find the general term. Now I'll be showing you how do I use the sharp calculator to find the general term of a quadratic regression. First, for any sharp calculator, I have to clear my memory. So press second F, alpha, and 2 for reset, 0 to initialize, and now the memory has been cleared. Now, press the on button. Let's go to mode, number 1 for statistic, and 2 for quadratic. So now I can key in my values for my x and my y. This x column will just mean the term. So term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. So now I will go to the y and key in what is my number in the sequence. So the first term is 1, second term is 3, third term is 6, and fourth term is 10. So now after you key in, you need to press on to go back to the home page. And now you have to press alpha statistic, and we will find regression number 1. So now you have the values of your A, B, and C, which will give you the general term. So now I'll be using the Casio calculator, and this is the model that I'm working with. First, you have to always go back to the home page, and then you have to press mode, and 2 for statistic. Number 3 for quadratic. And now I have to key in exactly what is my position of the term and the terms of the sequence. So I've keyed in the positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will have 4 terms in the sequence. And now to key in the terms. So after I key in, I will always go back to the home page. And then I'll press Shift 1 for statistic. Number 5 for regression. And now I have to individually key in what is my A, B, and C. So if I want to find my A, I'll press 1, and this will give me after I press equal. So my A is 0, and my B will be 0.5. My C will be 0.5. So now we have to put into the general term. My A is 0, but my B is 0.5, and my C is 0.5. So the general term of this sequence is 0.5x plus 0.5x squared.